So you think you know the media. You think all you see is the truth. The world as we know it is changing. King Vision Media is reshaping the future, getting to the facts, looking beyond mainstream media, getting to the heart of the story, going to those that matter, delivering hard-hitting interviews, short films, and documentaries, and asking the questions you want answered. King Vision Media. We see the truth. We see the truth. We see the truth.
Man, I get more butt than ashtrays. Up the fair one, I get mine the fast way. Ski mask swing.
My name's Devotion. What's up, guys?
My name's Nexus Dutty, aka Alex Dutty, aka Dutty Mouth.
Astro D fam stuff.
DJ Charlie.
Yeah, this is Big Chris.
I got my name is Smith section board. I see how I remember orders. I never went dancing.
You don't know, it's a Smith World ENT.
Back to me. Take them rhymes back to the factory. I see the gimmicks.
I think it's really, really excellent. I think it's important for the encouragement and the uplifting of the artists.
For me to now have that recognition that someone's realised that I put in all that work, that's really important to me, because I don't know how long I could have gone on had not somebody had said, yo, we recognise that you're doing this.
You know what? It's good for people who aren't in a position where they've got deals and in the limelight, that make mixtapes and make EPs and need to get some kind of recognition. So it's good for that reason.
Well, hopefully if I can get nominated for this award, then it'll be good to raise my exposure to show people that I've been working hard and just what's going on with Big Chris, you know?
You know, it's very important because literally the streets need an outlet, man. We need somewhere where there's underground talent actually getting recognised and getting picked up. Otherwise you're just going to be stuck with the same old talent and like, you know, it's just boring.
To see artists getting recognised for the work they do,
Not from Houston, but I rap a lot. Pack the gat a lot. The flames.
Big, massive, and fantastic.
Mixtape Awards, that's it. I'd say that they recognise, they're 3 words, it's hard to know. I couldn't really describe it in 3 words, I'm not going to say, but what I could say about the mixtape, the official Mixtape Awards, is that they see what's going on right now.
Innovative, fresh and supportive.
Encouraging fresh talent.
So when I leave the East Nation, then my mom and dad came in when they meet. It's like Freddie B. Jason. After 4 hours, I left with a caution. I cried in the car. I wish the word more than I told mom. She should have had.
So networking, vibrant, yeah, one of those platforms to get your music out to.
You're mad cause my style you're admiring. You're mad cause my style you're admiring.
You've got to get some hot features on your mixtape, man, some hot producers as well, and have a really, really great time.
A little bit of envisionment, you know, it ain't all about just making tracks, just spitting over beats and then just putting them all together and hoping that that's going to make a nice mixtape. You have to plan that whole mixtape, like an album.
You just have to have, you know what, hits don't come every day, but you know when you got a hit, when you've got a hook that is just catchy from the first time you hear it. Even your verses have to be catchy somewhat. So I think the formula is mostly, if you can make your verses more like hooks in the way that they sound, and then have a pre-chorus like that, and then a hook, it'll be like having 3 hooks in a song. This is exactly what 50 Cent does, this is exactly what Drake does, and that's why we like it.
Just need to love what you do, need to get right in, you need to be looking for some hot beats, working with some decent producers and decent artists, and just you got to have the drive to want to go out and do it.
You need them two, that's the first thing you need. I need them two, yeah? Secondly, you need insomnia, because we don't sit, we grind, we don't stop, you know what I mean? It's just like, you just got to have your own ways, man. You just have your own ways, that's it, and then it all comes together. These productions are mad.
Even though it was my best friend, I still smile when I see him at Everton. I left football because I got lazy. I said, don't let a track go. It was my 9 to 5. I say
that can be a winner. Make sure every track is on
have a plan of what they're making. A lot of men are just putting tune together and no drive, no ambition behind it. And also try and get out some good producers, try and make it gel.
And let me cut in. You ain't got a beat by speaker on your mixtape, yeah?
Most people get at me.
So King TV, go and do your thing.
Big up King TV, you're done now, yeah?
King's Vision TV, stars up.
Shout out to King Vision.
I'm slipping in TV with Andrew. I was going round. Big up King TV. Large.
Say big up King Vision TV.
Pack the gat a lot. The clothes about to drop.